Key of open, F sharp minor. Key of F sharp minor has 3 sharps. Has an F sharp, obviously, a C sharp, and a G sharp. It's the relative minor to A major, which is right here in this vicinity in the cycle of keys. So, I mean, if you're like, even in the key of A, you do that pentatonic right there. But this is, this is the pure minor, the natural minor. You can call it either one. So it has 7 different notes. And take a screenshot of this. It's really a pretty sounding scale. I think it's used quite often. So we're going to start on the first string, 2nd fret with our first finger. Remember, try to alternate your picking. And then you'll play the 4th fret on the same string with your 3rd finger. Open A, 2nd fret with your 1st finger on the A string or the 5th string. 4th fret on the 5th string with your 3rd finger. Do the exact same thing on the 4th string that you did on the 5th string. Open, 2nd fret, 4th fret with your 1st and 3rd fingers. Now you're going to play the G sharp, which is the 1st fret on the 3rd string with your 1st finger. Play that A, or the 2nd fret on the 3rd string with your 2nd finger. Now you'll play the open B string. Play the 2nd and 3rd frets on the B string with your 2nd and 3rd fingers. And then open E, and then the 2nd fret. So if you're playing this, an F sharp minor, E, D, E, you can do some pull-offs, hammer-ons. Get the idea, different things you can do. Hammer on pull-offs. And you don't have to start on the F sharp note. You could start places where it's going to fit, Be original, keep practicing this scale. Backwards and forwards, and alternate your picking as well. I also want to go over some chord shapes with you. Oh, there goes the phone. Try that again. I'm back. So, first position, F sharp minor. You borrow the 2nd fret, all 6 strings, and your root is on that 6th string. It's the F sharp. It's also 1 on the 1st string as well, and 1 on the 4th string. So the thing about playing a bar chord, no matter what the root is, there's going to be 3 of those notes. And this is a minor chord, so it's a triad, so it's going to have 3 different notes, but it's going to be made up of 6 notes because it's 6 strings when you're playing that first position bar chord. So F sharp minor. You keep your second finger up. If you want to make the F sharp minor 7th, it's just your first finger barring the 2nd fret once again, and your 3rd finger is playing the 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string. Sorry about that. You can also play this one where you're barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret with your 1st finger, and you're playing that F sharp note, which is going to be on the 4th fret, 4th string with your 3rd finger. You can pick that. You can down, 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 up. Put your pinky down on the 4th fret, 1st string. Bring it up, your pinky to the 5th fret, 1st string. Sounds pretty. It's a very pretty sounding scale. You know, you can also play the same scale in that position. In that position as well. That was an A form, then a C form. Check out my previous other videos. You'll find those in the key of A. So F sharp minor 7th, or minor, we'll get to the minor 7th, is a 2nd position bar chord. So the root is on the 5th string. In this case, it's the 9th fret, 5th string. And you make that A minor shape with your 2nd, 4th, and 3rd fingers. Instead of using your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers, use your 2nd, 4th, and 3rd. Right next to the bar, which is on the 9th fret. The F sharp minor 7th is this form. Just lift up your 4th finger. You can also place your pinky would be on the 12th fret of the 1st string in this case. It's like the same, it's just a higher F sharp minor 7th. You know, you can F minor 9. It looks just like, well, which would be a C sharp minor, but okay. Or I like the F sharp minor, 1st position, but you're barring just the first 5 strings here, and your 3rd and 4th fingers are on the 11th fret, 3rd finger on the 4th string, 4th finger on the 3rd string. So those are some chord shapes. Make sure you alternate your picking, because in time you're going to be able to tell the difference between an up pick, and a down pick. And I didn't go very far with this scale, no extensions, but starting on F sharp and ending on F sharp. And this is a great scale. We really are at the end of our review instruction, if you will, on open, major, and minor scales. So I'm going to bring some more stuff to you guys, and have fun.